Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we dive into climate field view app review in order to check if the app is worth using. So let's quickly dive into it. The climate field view app gives farmer real-time access to field data, including map of planting, spraying yield and weather. It's especially powerful when paired with the field view drive hardware to stream machine data directly into the app. This makes it easier to spot variability, share insights with advisors, and make more informed decisions about seed, fertility, and scouting. On the flip side, it requires a fair bit of setup and a compatible gears, and the subscription cost may be steep for smaller operations. Some user reports app glitches, connectivity hiccup, and concern about how their data is shared. Overall, Field view is what it if you're serious about precision ag and you have the equipment to support it. Less so if you are running a simple or low-tech farm, you must stay away from it. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.